Okay, you're going to have to deal with some really bad audio. What is the var directory? Var was originally given its name because of its contents, which was deemed variable in that it changed frequently. Today, it is a bit of a misnomer because there are many other directories that also contain the changes frequently. There are many other directories that also contain data that changes frequently, especially the virtual directories we saw above. Be that as it may, var contains things like logs in the var/log subdirectories. Logs are files that register events that happen on the system. If something fails in the kernel, it will be logged in a file in the var/log. Someone tries to break into your computer from the outside, your firewall will also log the attempt here. It also contains spools for tasks. These tasks can be done can be the jobs you send to a shared printer when you have to wait because there's another user printing a long document, or mail that is waiting to be delivered to users on the system. What really is the var directory? The concept of the var directory was to provide a location for files that change frequently while the system is running, such as logs, databases, and temporary files. Why was var made? var was born out of the needs of the diskless workstations. In those days, you could boot a machine without any disk. They would load their kernel over network, then mount the / and user file system, read only from a central remote server with NFS. It made sense since all the operating system files were identical on a workstation, so they all mounted the same shared file system, saving on hardware costs. But you still needed at least one file system where the workstations could read and write their own files separately, since this stuff was variable between workstations, hence var was born. What is the difference between the var directory and the temporary directory? The temporary directory is wiped on shutdown or startup, whereas the var directory persists after shutdown or startup. And there you go. That is what the var directory is.